This video illustrates how to perform a wet kit installation on a plastic Wilden Original AODD pump. First, completely disassemble the pump, including the removal of the diaphragms, ball seats, gaskets, and O-rings. Be sure to follow all precautions in the pump's EOM or manual. Install the inner piston, diaphragm, and outer piston onto the shaft. Spin on the outer piston. Apply grease to the shaft. Insert the diaphragm assembly with a twisting motion. Then invert the diaphragm and turn the pump over. Install the inner piston. Invert and install the second diaphragm. Spin on the outer piston. Reorient the pump and torque to specifications. Place the pump on its side and push down the rim of the diaphragm in discharge mode. Place the liquid chamber over the diaphragm. Clamp or bolt it onto the center section and torque to specifications. Reorient the pump. Lift the diaphragm and insert a pry bar under the inner piston. Do the same on the opposite side. In a single motion, use the bars to pry up the inner piston and use one of the bars to hold it up. Push the diaphragm rim down and remove the pry bar. Place the liquid chamber over it and clamp it. Insert O-rings into inlet elbow manifolds and T-section and clamp or bolt them together. Fit the O-ring around the valve seat and insert it into the seat bore, firmly pressing it into place. Do the same with the other valve seat. Insert the valve balls and place the inlet manifold onto the pump. Orient it correctly for your pump model. Clamp or bolt it and torque to specifications. Turn the pump over and insert the valve seats into the liquid chamber. Place the O-rings on top and firmly press them into place. Place the valve balls onto the valve seats. Place the discharge manifold onto the pump. Orient it correctly for your pump model. Clamp or bolt it and torque to specification. Thank you for using Wilden pumps.
PSG, where innovation flows.